Have you ever wondered what it's truly like behind the scenes at a financial institution, beyond the glossy brochures and friendly smiles? Specifically, what are the day-to-day working conditions like at BluPeak Credit Union? Are they truly living up to their stated values, or is there a different reality for their employees? Today, we're going to pull back the curtain and explore the working world of BluPeak Credit Union, examining everything from their company culture and work-life balance to compensation, benefits, and career development opportunities. BluPeak Credit Union, formerly known as Hughes Credit Union, has a long history, founded in 1936 to serve employees of the Division of Highway in San Diego, California. Today, they've expanded their reach across California, serving a broad membership from 6 physical locations and through their robust online and mobile banking platforms. With over $1 billion in assets, BluPeak positions itself as a modern, member-focused financial institution. But what does that mean for the people who make it all happen, the employees? Let's start with the foundational element of any workplace, company culture. BluPeak actively promotes a culture that emphasizes a rewarding work environment, where employees are encouraged to feel at home and bring their whole self to work. They aim for an open-door environment where team members feel appreciated and inspired, describing their culture as genuine, unique, and fun. This sounds fantastic on paper, right? They highlight collaboration, valuing diverse perspectives, and building powerful teams where we are individually connected and understood. They even talk about connecting head and heart while letting personalities shine. However, it's always important to consider that a company's public-facing statements might not always align perfectly with the daily experiences of its employees. While BluPeak emphasizes an inclusive environment and celebrates individuality, the true test lies in how these values are implemented in practice. Are employees genuinely empowered to express their opinions and contribute to decision-making, or is it more of a top-down structure? Are the fun aspects integrated into the work, or are they just occasional events that don't truly impact the daily grind? Understanding these nuances often requires looking at various perspectives, including current and former employee feedback, which can offer a more candid view. Moving on to one of the most critical aspects for any employee, work-life balance. BluPeak states that they believe in work-life balance, team building, a business-casual environment, and on-site recreation. They offer generous paid time off allowances, including vacation accruals starting with 3 weeks for new hires, 12 wellness days per year, and 13 company-paid holidays. Additionally, they provide 2 personal days and 16 hours of paid volunteer time annually. This commitment to time off certainly sounds appealing, suggesting a recognition of the importance of personal well-being outside of work hours. Furthermore, BluPeak's inclusion of a flexible work policy is a significant indicator of their commitment to work-life balance. Depending on the role and responsibilities, most employees have the option to work a hybrid or fully remote schedule. This flexibility, where employees and their supervisors collaborate to create a schedule that makes sense, can be a game changer for many, allowing for better integration of personal and professional life. The availability of remote work options, particularly in an industry that has traditionally been very office-centric, demonstrates a progressive approach to employee well-being. Now, let's talk compensation and benefits, which are crucial for attracting and retaining talent. BluPeak offers a comprehensive benefits package designed to support employees' physical, emotional, work-life, and financial well-being. This includes competitive pay, a 401k match, and affordable healthcare benefits such as medical, dental, and vision insurance. They also offer a 24-hour telehealth service, flexible spending accounts, and a health incentive program. For retirement, they invest in their employees' futures by offering a matching 401k plan. Beyond these core benefits, employees can also access product discounts on auto and home loans, as well as credit cards. These benefits are quite standard for a well-established financial institution, but the emphasis on a comprehensive wellness program and employee discounts adds value. The 401k match is a strong incentive for long-term financial planning, and the affordable healthcare benefits are a major draw in today's economy. The employee discounts on financial products also align with their mission as a credit union to serve their members, extending that benefit to their own workforce. However, the competitive pay aspect can be subjective. What one person considers competitive, another might not. In a credit union setting, while benefits can be robust, the base salaries might sometimes be perceived as lower than in larger, more profit-driven banks, as some industry observations suggest. It's important for potential employees to research typical salary ranges for their specific roles in the San Diego area, where BluPeak is headquartered, and compare them to BluPeak's offerings to determine if they align with their expectations. Finally, let's explore career development and growth opportunities at BluPeak Credit Union. BluPeak states that they focus on personal and professional development in on-site classes and provide robust professional development opportunities and resources to nurture career advancement. They also highlight a culture of continuous learning and growth. This suggests a commitment to investing in their employee skills and helping them progress within the organization. However, the actual availability and accessibility of these development opportunities can vary based on department, role, and even individual initiative. Are these on-site classes widely available to all employees, or are they geared towards specific departments or leadership tracks? Are there clear pathways for advancement, or is career progression more informal? Furthermore, while the credit union environment often means more diverse responsibilities for individuals, for example, a branch representative might handle more functions than a traditional bank teller. This can be both a benefit for skill development and a challenge in terms of workload. The breadth of responsibilities can certainly accelerate learning and offer varied experiences, which is a significant advantage for career growth. In conclusion, BluPeak Credit Union presents itself as an organization deeply committed to its employees' well-being and professional growth. Their emphasis on a supportive, inclusive culture, coupled with comprehensive benefits and a flexible work policy, paints an attractive picture. The ample paid time off and the option for hybrid or remote work are strong indicators of a genuine effort to promote work-life balance. Their investment in professional development, through on-site classes and a culture of continuous improvement, suggests opportunities for employees to expand their skills and advance their careers. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.